If you've clicked on this video, you are going to learn about the 5 themes of geography: location, place, human environment, interaction, movement, and regions. But we'll only actually be talking about 4 of the 5 of those themes because movement is discussed in the other video, talking about ideas in exchange in Africa. So let's start with location. Africa is mostly located in the Eastern Hemisphere, but it is so big as the second largest continent that it also falls into 2 other hemispheres as well. Africa is surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean on the west and the Indian Ocean on the east. To the north is the Mediterranean Sea and Europe. Now for place. When you think of Africa, you probably think of deserts and sand. That is an appropriate thought because Africa is home to the world's hottest desert, the Sahara. The Sahara is also the world's 3rd largest desert, just behind the Arctic and Antarctica. The Sahara covers about 1/3 of Africa, making it about the size of the United States. But Africa is not just covered by hot sand. Africa also has mountains, volcanic calderas, tropical rainforests, savannas, or grasslands. You're probably thinking that a continent that big must have lots of people, and you're right, because Africa covers about 6% of Earth's surface area and is densely populated with about 1 billion people. The geography of Africa plays a huge role in how the society has developed over time. In early times, women cared for children and gathered roots and seeds to eat while the men hunted. Since gathering seeds and roots provided most of the family's food, women had more respect and power than in other regions. However, when the climate changed in Africa, it was less able to support the growing population with only hunting and gathering, and that was the start of herding and farming in ancient Africa. Africa was now able to have food surpluses because of their good harvests, and that meant that they could specialize in other activities like metalwork. Africans could then trade their specialized goods, which created small trading communities, which then evolved into international trade networks. The next theme of geography is human-environment interaction. The environment provided many valuable resources that helped Africans produce tools that were then traded for high value. For example, Africans got iron from the land and traded it. Where you live determines what tools you can make. Like, tropical iron was better for making tools than desert iron was. Africans also used river clay to their advantage by making pots for carrying water or storing water. The land also produced materials that allowed Africans to make fertilizer, nail polish, perfume, eyeshadow to shield their eyes from the sun, drums, boats, aspirin, and even a smallpox vaccination that is similar to the one created in the 19th century. Ancient Africans were considerably advanced for their time, and their land contributed immensely to their development. And for the final theme of geography in this video is regions. The climate of Africa can range from tropical to subarctic, like on its highest peak, Mount Kilimanjaro. Mount Kilimanjaro is Africa's highest peak at almost 6,000 meters, and it is the world's tallest freestanding mountain. Kilimanjaro, however, isn't actually a mountain. It's a dormant volcano with 3 volcanic cones. Dormant means it hasn't been active in a very long time, so that means that you can even climb Mount Kilimanjaro. North Africa is mostly desert, while Central and Southern Africa is both savanna, plains, and dense jungle rainforests. In between the forest and the desert is the Sahel, which is mostly grass. The Sahel is also known as the monsoon trough because the monsoon rains that pass in and out of that region give it its name. That was the last theme of geography about ancient Africa, but if you want to learn more, you can watch the other video.